Hey guys, welcome to wenDIY. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mask pouch, which you can easily clip to your keychain or purse wherever you go. This is a very simple craft that everyone can make using the stuffs that you already have at home, even without a sewing machine. In today's project, we're going to have two outputs. One is hand sewn and the other one is made using the sewing machine. These are the materials that we're going to need. There are two pattern pieces in this project, the base pattern and the loop pattern. We are going to start with a smaller piece that we will use as a loop pattern. This piece is 7 cm by 4 cm in size. We are going to press this into 4 using the iron. And we are going to stitch it right on the side here. As I've said, we're going to have two outputs in this project. So in this first loop, I'm going to hand sew it, and the second one, we're going to run it through the sewing machine. Here it is. So this one was hand sewn, and this one is the ones that we run through the sewing machine. Once that's done, we're going to put it on the side for later. Now we will proceed in making the base pattern. To start, we are going to need 14 cm by 24 cm cloth. Face your fabric right side down, and we're going to finish both ends by simply folding it over by centimeters and press it using the iron. Same with the other pattern, we're going to start hand sewing and we're going to run the other one through the sewing machine. Here it is, our two base patterns. So this one here is the hand sewn. It doesn't look that bad considering that we just use our hands. And this one here is the ones that we run through the sewing machine. It looks more sleeker and sharper, but it doesn't really matter. Once our patterns are done, we are ready to mark our fold lines. The pattern has specific fold lines, 6 cm from the top and 8 cm from the bottom. Here I made a mark we're going to insert our loop pattern, which is ½ centimeters under the first fold line. we're going to start folding. Make sure to fold the top half first and the bottom half over it. You should know that your bottom piece should not overlap the loop. It could touch it, but don't go beyond. Now we're going to press this with our iron and pin it to secure for sewing.
I'm feeling something right, I'm feeling something right.
We're going to take our pouch and sew both sides with a centimeter seam allowance. Our pouch is finished. For the exciting part, we will flip it inside out and reveal the output. Use your thumbs to push the corners out and you will give it a last press to make it look sharper.
And I wanna be the one that you would put up a fight for. You know that I adore, that even when you're bored, I'd buy you anything and everything I can afford.
And for the last step, we are going to attach our key ring. If you don't have a key ring, you can make your loop longer to make a long strand to make a tie out of it. Now I'm going to show you how I store my mask in the pouch that we made. Since my mask has nose wire, I fold it in half so that it doesn't bend the wire. Slide it in the pouch, close the top flap, and you're ready to go. The pouch is also a perfect fit for the disposable mask, sanitizer, and glove storage. There you have it, an adorable mask pouch. I hope you learned a thing or two from this tutorial. Don't forget to wash your hands and maintain social distancing. We can fight this pandemic together. Also, always remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind.